Mmm. Need a little bit more lemon. Mm-hmm. Need a little bit more lemon. Not a lemonade for me. Now let me squeeze out the lemon. One nice and soft. Not a moo-moo, but moo-moo moment. I was tasting too much, I was tasting too much olive oil in there and too much honey. Not enough lemon. You okay?
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
This one has a lot of pulp in it. A lot of pulp. But it is what it is, isn't it? Mm. I lost some there. Mm-hmm. Okay. I like the pulp though. Pulp looks good. Alright, let me see now. Okay. One. Mm-hmm. Come on there. I need some of the pulp in. Let me see how it tastes now. Oh, for some reason that lemon is not strong. I'm disappointed in the potency. Maybe J3 honey is just so sweet that it's throwing off the consistency of its taste. Yeah. That's the acidness I'm looking for. Kevin! Pause and come here. Quickly. So you can go back and play.
That's a nasty medicine.
Let me see what you think about it. I'm videotaping. Okay.
Oh,
All
that's
right.
good.
How is it? Lemonly?
Not bad.
Not bad at all?
Yes, Carter?
And it's going to make you cough. I mean, get the mucus up. Go ahead. Finish
okay.
drink it. Thank you for your opinion.